Put Heather in it. Don't do no video. I mean,
Damn.
nah, you can.
Well, it's already too late. You already. Look at it. It's snowing outside. This is the roads, y'all. Our visibility.
The roads.
The fucking roads, man. So this is what we're looking like. Whoa. Let me
I guess when we're dead, dirty, we're gonna be like, remember that time whenever we fucking snowed?
This is San Marcos in February.
Watch out, railroad tracks.
Railroad tracks.
No. Oh.
There's that McDonald's, if y'all can see it.
McDonald's. You about to see it real close.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit, watch out for the trees.
God damn.
God damn, it's like we snowboarding.
Woo. It's fun riding with this motherfucker.
Oh, yeah,
this dude right here.
Shit. Shit, better watch out. Got sausage coming.
The spicy sausage. Shit, watch it now.
Oh, hey, it's getting a little crazy over there. Yeah, dude, I bet you the cops are out just fucking so people won't do